Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anushka Kerkar and I hope you all are doing well. Today I am so excited while shooting this video because today is the day I complete 1 year on YouTube. Yes guys, 17 Jan 2020 was the day I started my own YouTube channel. My first video, which was the Gujarat vlog, had come on my channel on that day. Thank you so much guys for supporting me so much. For we are a family of 600 subscribers यार, उससे भी ज़्यादा in fact. Thank you so much guys. Thanks to all the people who are there for me, with me from the start. A very big thanks to my parents, my best friend Vinpreet, and so many of my other friends. I there's a long list. So, but thank you everybody for always supporting me and pushing me forward. It means a lot. Okay, so also there is one more good news today, which is I have completed more than 10k views on my Devashri Ganesha dance cover. I don't know how 4 months में 10k views. Thanks to y'all again. I think y'all have loved 2 Anushkas in the video, and that's why for Sham Shandar I gave you 5. Anyways, jokes apart, keep supporting me. I will keep entertaining y'all as I always say. And so on the occasion of completing 1 year on YouTube, 600 plus subscribers and also 10k views, I thought of keeping a question and answer for you guys. So I think without any other delay, let's get into this video, and a lot of secrets are going to be revealed in this video. If you remember, this was the t-shirt I wore for my Gujarat vlog. The first video on my channel, the first outfit I wore on my channel was this t-shirt. So I felt this is really special, so I ended up wearing the same t-shirt. And as I was speaking about YouTube, the first question is, wanna know how you came up with the idea of starting your own YouTube channel? This was never intentional. I never thought of being a YouTuber, starting a YouTube channel as such. Actually, first me and my best friend were going to do it, but फिर वो नहीं हो पाया. So I ended up starting a channel on my own. And I thought कि I'm going to post every type of videos. That's why my channel is the channel where you see every type of videos. There is art related videos, dance, there is challenges, vlogs, everything. And I'm still experimenting many, new things and trying out new things. So I'm just very lazy, I think, to shoot them. This is the truth. Future plans for your channel. Up till now, nothing. I'm just making videos, as many as I can. I try to at least post 3-4 videos a month, but 1-2 months se my videos are not so regular. But I want to change that, and I want to really post more videos often. Okay, next question. Share your greatest achievement of your life and tell its backstory. Okay, I really wanted to answer this question. So nobody knows this, like only my close family and friends know it, but I would like to share it with you guys also. My parents had gifted me a OnePlus 7 in October 2019, and in March 2020 I dropped my phone in the sea. Yeah guys, that's the truth. And it was so quick, everything was so quick that before I went to pick up the phone, the wave pulled it inside. That's my sad story. Whatever videos I have shot in the lockdown, I've shot it on this phone, Oppo. The achievement in this is that in July 2020, I bought myself another OnePlus 7 with my own hard work money. And I think this is the greatest achievement of life for me. Yeah guys, and that's the phone on which I am shooting right now. So yes, that is the greatest achievement. Share that one embarrassing moment you can't forget. I have the bad habit of laughing at serious moments. When somebody has told me not to laugh, that is the time I will laugh the most. I don't know, somebody falls down, somebody. So I feel like laughing. I think that sometimes gets embarrassing. कभी कोई person को देखकर लगा है कि इसमें कुछ तो बात है और मुझ में भी ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. Many times I see good qualities in all the people, and फिर मुझे भी वो गुड क्वालिटी चाहिए. सबसे जो अच्छी अच्छी क्वालिटीज होती है ना, आई ट्राई टू टेक ऑल द गुड क्वालिटीज, लर्न ऑल द गुड क्वालिटीज फ्रॉम देम. सो लाइक वन क्वालिटी फ्रॉम पीपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज योर ऑल टाइम फेवरेट सॉन्ग एंड मूवी? My favorite song would be I have many songs again, but currently Tumse Hi Tumse from Anjana Anjani. That movie everybody knows it's Tara Rampam. I can never get rid of that movie. Tara Rampam, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. There are so many. Who was your inspiration and how you pursued to become a YouTuber? Before I started YouTube, I used to spend so much of time watching YouTube videos whole day. वैसे ही मुझे आइडिया आया यूट्यूब चालू करने के लिए. बचपन से अभी तक मैं इतना बड़बड़ करती हूँ कैमरा पे. एंड बिफोर इवन यूट्यूब का कॉन्सेप्ट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडिया, आई हैड दिस हैबिट ऑफ टेकिंग अ फोन and just making videos. So I've always been that girl who loves being in front of the camera. That's one reason I started my YouTube channel. And my inspiration, I think when I started was Ashna Hegde. And still I like her. Yeah, she's the sweetest. Ever bunked whole day college? Yeah, I bunked. Okay, next question. What's your worst and the most favorite memory? I think any time when I fight with anybody, that's my worst memory. I usually don't like fighting with anybody. I'm that person who loves to forget the fights. क्या हुआ था, किस वजह से लड़े थे, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं रहता है 2 दिन बाद. मैं बहुत ड्रामा करती हूँ. In short. So yeah. And my most favorite memory when I'm with my family or with my friends. Any memory again. Me and my best friend Vinpreet had gone. March में जब मेरा phone गिरा था ना, I had gone with her only. Before my phone fell, we had a great time. Yeah, my phone went. That was the worst day also, but the best also. Can you give us some YouTube growth tips? I myself am not such a great YouTuber or something to give you all tips, but I can tell you all something that works for me. Always see what your audience likes and post accordingly. Be consistent and keep your audience engaged with you. That's it. Be true on camera. बस और कुछ भी नहीं. What are your most memorable childhood moment? Okay, my one very memorable childhood moment is when I won Gladrax Little Miss India. As I told you, you're going to know many things about me in this video. In 2011, I won Gladrax Little Miss India, which was a beauty pageant for kids actually. It was, I'll tell you all the story also about it. I was 7 years old when I won Gladrax. So first time Gladrax had organized a Little Miss India thing in India. Somehow me and my cousin brother, we just went for it. I did not know what you have to do. मुझे बस इतना मम्मा ने बोला था कि she used to dress me up that time and I was never fond of dresses. कभी नहीं. I was a very jeans t-shirt type person and she just made me wear something. I wore छोटे छोटे heels. And my mom said only one thing, keep your hands on your waist, smile and just walk. That's all she told me. You had to just walk round ऐसे कहीं तो garden में एक दूसरे को ऐसे पकड़ के सामने से चलना था and all. And I didn't know what's happening. Obviously I was 7 years old. I didn't understand anything that's happening. It was a 2 days or 3 days ka something. And on the second or third day, they announced me as the winner. I'm standing in the audience and they said, you know, second runner-up, first runner-up, and the winner of Gladrax Little Miss India is Anushka Kerkar. And I was like, I did not know anything that's happening that time. But then I went on the stage and I was very happy. They crowned me with a crown. They put a sash for me. They gave me so many hampers, so many gifts. And मेरे को तभी भी नहीं पता था क्या हो रहा है. And uske next year, I had to go to crown the next Gladrax Little Miss India. So that was a very proud moment for me, I would say. I was so small, but still now when I remember that. So yeah, that was a moment of my life. Next question, what skills you had to learn as a dancer to become a choreographer? There is a very big difference between dancer and choreographer. Choreographing something is totally different than dancing something. You have to really use your brains, think of steps, you know, do it nicely. There are so many things you have to keep in mind. When I started, I used to only remember the things, what my teacher used to do. Like how she used to teach us, how she used to think of steps, how she used to make us understand. I think I've taken it all from her. And I had to learn, first of all, punctuality, which I don't have. I have to be in class 15 minutes before the students come. I have to make sure I'm carrying everything. I have to make sure the place is cleaned properly. I have to make sure, you know, everybody is okay in class. Being a student, you always know what a teacher has to do for you. So I think, yeah, 2 years back how I used to take class and now how I take class, there's a vast difference. Yeah, so there are no skills specifically, but time teaches you everything. What is your greatest strength as a choreographer? Pata nahi. Pata nahi. I'm still learning, to be honest. So, but yeah, I think the greatest strength is that I know how you gotta do it. Next question, are you a music lover? Sawal. I love music so much because my dad is a DJ. So बचपन से लेके आज तक there is not one day when we don't play music in the house. I know all type of music. 80s के 90s, Hollywood, Bollywood, retro, new songs, party songs, house music, pop music, listening pleasure, everything. So my dad loves music obviously. So yes, I am also very fond of music, but mostly I prefer putting ईयरफोन्स एंड सिटिंग, या तो अकेले मेरे गाने लगा के प्लेलिस्ट लगा के सुनती हूँ. व्हाट इज योर वर्स्ट नाइटमेयर एवर? माय फोन फॉलिंग. 2-3 days तक तो नींद भी नहीं आ रही. आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन मेरा बहुत बड़ी कहानी. हाउ आर यू सो एनर्जेटिक? आई एम सो लेजी. See, when there's work or there's something to do, nobody can be more hardworking than me or energetic than me. But otherwise, घर पे I am so lazy. I see my bed and I feel sleepy. Next question. What are the things that makes you feel calm and brings you at ease? Dancing, painting. As you all know, painting so calms me so much that once I start painting, I won't get up till I end. And reading. Yeah, reading a book. I love deep talks and spirituality. Do you know about the subconscious mind and how it works? To be honest, my father, he knows everything about the subconscious mind and often keeps telling me and my brother as well. So that's why, yes, I do believe in spirituality somewhere. You are the one who can control your subconscious mind, and if you tell your mind something, na wo maan lega. Read the book Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I mentioned it before in my video. It's my father's favorite book. He's read that book 3-4 times already. Next question. If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? My phone falling. I would have changed it. काश फोन गिर जाता पर मैं उठा लेती, या तो गिरता ही नहीं. समझ में आ रही बात? Ever slapped your brother for no reason? Every day. I don't need a reason to slap him. My parents are seeing this. Ha ha. Favorite car? I think I would prefer Mercedes or BMW. Do you listen to K-pop? No, not really. Not at all actually. How do you dance so well and have the courage to upload it? Learning from you to be confident. Okay, that's a very big compliment for me. If somebody can see me and gain confidence, that's a big achievement. Yeah, वो first question का answer यही है फिर. How do you dance so well? Practicing. I complete 14 years of dancing this year. Can you all believe? 14 years से I've never stopped. How do I bring the courage to post it? I just take a chance. I just want to portray my talent, you know. I want to entertain you all basically. कि मेरे डांस वीडियोस देख के मज़ा आता है सबको, तो ठीक है, no problem, upload. Top 5 favorite YouTuber. आशना हेगड़े, आशी खन्ना, Mostly Sane, Gujju Unicorn, and Damfan. If that answers your question. What is your go-to dance move? I think this. And why? Because Pearl V. Puri, he has the habit of doing this. So seeing that, इतनी बार मैंने वो video देख लिया कि now when any music plays, now I'm like, so I think yeah. Next question: world's best dancer or world's best actress, model, actress? Sorry. Okay, there are like 3 questions in this one question. Smart question. World's best dancer. First of all, my teacher Inet D'Souza, my sir Shreya Samin. I like Shweta Warrior very much. Akash Thapa. There are so many जो reality shows में आते हैं ना, बस वही पसंद है. World's best model. Like so many actresses who are models, I like them. Favorite actress? Alia Bhatt. Yeah. Deepika Padukone also. Kareena Kapoor. Too many. Yeah. The list never ends. Okay, there are 2 very similar questions. One is how so cute, and one is what is the secret of your cuteness? Have you seen my mom ever? She's so beautiful. So what do you expect her daughter to be? Okay, so there are 2 again similar questions. One is what are your future plans, and one is have you thought anything about your career? So I want to be a choreographer. I want to be a dancer. I want to be an actress. I want to be a YouTuber. The list never ends again. But professional terms pay, I think I would want to be a dancer, choreographer, something in the entertainment industry only. What is your upcoming video about? Your videos are just amazing. I love watching them. Thank you very much. My upcoming video, I have 2-3 videos which are short but not edited. I will edit them and post them. We are waiting for your next prank video. How long do we have to wait? Prank videos I've already shot 2 on my channel. Hey, 1-2 ideas hai, but for now there will be no prank video coming. But if it comes, you will know again on my channel. Turn on the notification bell. What show are you currently binge watching? And there's one more question very similar, which is your most favorite Netflix show and why? So binge watching, I think, would be Friends. Oh no, sorry, if it's not Netflix, my favorite show would be Ek Duje Ke Waaste. Yeah, I'm a big Indian television fan. Ek Duje Ke Waaste, I've seen the serial. Now I'm seeing it for the 3rd time. So Ek Duje Ke Waaste, but on Netflix, if you're asking me, it would be Friends. Show mein to Friends hi. It's such a beautiful story of 6 friends, and I love my friends very much. So Friends. Next question: when are you uploading a new video with your brother? Your videos are amazing. I was just gonna shoot one video right now, but yeah, with him also videos will come soon. I think we are done with the questions. Yeah, we're done, guys. That was the last question. Before I forget, I'm going to give the shout out for this video. The last question of the week was, how many cups of tea did I have in my Gujarat vlog? So the right answer to that question is 4 cups. I mentioned in my video that this is my 4th cup of chai. So the shout out for this video goes to Siddhi Pawar. Congratulations, Siddhi. The right answer was 4 cups and she was the first and only one to answer this right. The question for today's video is nothing. But thank you very much, guys. This video is already long enough. So you got to know many secrets about me, many more things about me, and I would just like to thank you all so much. It's all because of you all I am here today, and I'm so grateful for having all of you on my channel. Thank you so much. So happy 1 year to us. Once again, thank you so much, guys. I know thank you is not enough, but that's all I can say. Please do subscribe to my channel. Let's reach 1000 subscribers soon. Now I'm ending this video, and lastly I would say, take care of yourselves and your families. Bye. See you in my next video. Take care. Toodles.